Hello guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel once again. Today I am going to be doing this soft brown glittery makeup look. I use pressed glitters, so I will show you how to use the pressed glitters as well. So this is the look. So let's just get into the video and we just start the look and I will show you how it's done. Okay, so first of all I am starting off with a concealer. I'm applying it on both of my lids, gently gonna dab that in and blend the product in my eyelids. Then I'm going to set it with my translucent powder, just a very little translucent powder. Now I'm taking this L'Oreal wired palette. It's very good for beginners, so I'm taking the brown shade from the palette. I'm just going in with my crease, building up the coverage and just going in the round motion until I am happy with the color. I'm going to do that on both of the eyes. On this eye as well, same motion, and then just put that in your crease. I'm just basically applying it all over my eyelid, and I'm just taking the product a little bit outwards as well towards my temple. So I'm just building up the color. So once that's done, I'm gonna go in with a smaller blending brush and taking the dark brown shade. I'm just taking a very little because it needs to be a soft look. So I didn't take a lot, I just took a little and just started blending that from my outer corners towards my inner corner. Going back in with the big blending brush with the first shade just to highlight it a little bit. Okay, so we see that transition from dark to light, light to dark. Okay, so I'm going to do that on both of the eyes, again on this eye as well, from the outer corner towards the inner corner, and then going to take the first shade again, just blending that just so we can see this transition. Now I'm going in with the pressed glitter, the shade, and just with the flat brush just packing the product on my eyelid, just where the crease starts. Don't go any more higher than that because the eye will look messy. So just where your socket, where you can poke your socket with the brush, just there you're gonna place the product all over your eyelid. So once I'm done packing the product on my eyelids, I'm just gonna go in towards the inner corners as well, just putting the product there and just cleaning up the mess because there was a lot of fallout with this product. So I'm just putting the concealer on, creating a sharp line as you can see. Putting the concealer on both of the eyes, I'm just going to blend that out. I'm also going to use the concealer just to cover my spots and any redness that's on my face. Just going very carefully under the eyes and just covering the spots and any red spots that's on my face, the redness that's on my face. Now I'm just putting the translucent powder underneath my eyes just so I don't get creases. So next up I'm going to now do my lower lids. So I'm going with the dark brown shade which I used, and taking the round brush and just packing that on. Now I'm taking this a little bit bigger brush. It's a blending brush, and I am just going to put that brown shade which I used, just blend it all together. Here I am just putting the kajal in my eyes, and I'm just highlighting my brow bone with the highlighter shade which I am going to use for my rest of my face as well. So just so it can all link together, you know, in the same inner corner I'm using the same highlight shade as well, which I'm going to be using as a highlighter. So I done the rest of my face, and then this is now the final look. Let me know what you guys think of the final look. I really enjoyed doing this. I think it's really nice, soft, subtle. If you guys like this video, make sure you do give it a thumbs up, comment, subscribe. Thank you.